So दोस्तों finally Al Matador Uruguayan Al Matador has finally hanged up his boots, and what a phenomenal player he was. I think he's one of those underrated strikers, I would say, not only because he had played for United, even at PSG bhai. He was a phenomenal. Al Matador एमी नाम नहीं रखा गया भाई. He was known for his passion, aggression and finishing on that football pitch. We don't see strikers like those anymore, bhai. Edinson Cavani has finally hanged up his boots on 28 December 2025, and bhai, kya phenomenal player tha bhai. Not only scoring with his header, with his right foot, with his left footer, always at the right place at the right time. He was absolutely phenomenal. And no, अगर आप एडिसन कवानी को टर्म्स ऑफ रैंकिंग, अगर आप स्ट्राइकर्स में सुआरेज, ज़्लाटान इब्राहिमोविच, सर्जियो एगुएरो, अगर आप उसमें रैंक नहीं करते तो आप ज्यादती कर रहे हो उस बंदे के साथ. नॉट ओनली बिकॉज he has played most of his career in England or not, but overall as a player, I think he was a top class. Always a big game player. He helped Paris Saint-Germain win so many important matches. बार्सिलोना के अगेंस्ट हमेशा गोल मारता था. फिर यूनाइटेड को यूरोपा लीग फाइनल तक लेके गया. अनफॉर्चुनेटली couldn't win that trophy, but he was phenomenal in that Europa League as well. और भाई यही नहीं, उसकी प्रोफेशनलिज्म की जो मिसाल है वो ये है कि when he came to United gave him the number 7 jersey. And when Ronaldo was signed at United, the reunion जो हुआ रोनाल्डो का, he gave up his number 7 jersey to Cristiano Ronaldo and won that 21 jersey which he used to wear at Uruguay. So भाई ये सारा professionalism है, and he was signed as an example for strikers like Mason Greenwood, Anthony Martial, Marcus Rashford. वो लोग तो कुछ नहीं सीखे, लेकिन भाई I absolutely miss Edinson Cavani at United. And he was one of my favorite players. Most recent signings, he was signed on a free, and एक मिनट भी ऐसा नहीं था कि भाई मैं उस बंदे को दुआएं देता हूं भाई जिसने एडिसन कवानी को साइन किया था, because he was a phenomenal striker. So भाई, do let me know your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about Edinson Cavani retirement? For more interesting videos, do follow Kickoff Conversation.